So how's it going? I'm Andrew with Investors Hub, and there's some big news that's coming up in the market. Coinbase is going public on April 14th, and I figured I'd make a video talking about some of the research that I've done on it because that's something that interests me. And yeah, I haven't done anything catastrophically terrible with my account yet. I'm still technically in the green, so I might throw some money at the IPO. Well, it's technically not an IPO, it's a DPO, but I might throw some money at the public offering, depending on what the price is, and we'll see how it goes. And if you like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Those performance metrics continue to validate my existence here at the company, so, you know, I like my job, and I also just generally like seeing numbers go up. Please note that our videos are not designed to be direct investing advice. We're here to gather the perspective of different investors. Our channel and our content should just be one stop on the journey of trying to find out where to put your money. So for those of you that don't know, Coinbase is essentially the preeminent cryptocurrency trading platform right now, and it's the largest that's based in the US, and they exist in kind of the middle space with regards to cryptocurrency and like how invested people are in it. So on one end, you have like people that just want to buy some Bitcoin on Robinhood, where you don't even technically own the Bitcoin, you just own the rights to some Bitcoin. And those people just want to speculate on the price going up. And then on the far other end, you have sort of decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, where people are speculating on those smaller cap coins and the new stuff that's popping up. And, you know, they have to exchange through Ethereum and US equivalent DeFi tokens and things like that. But Coinbase, middle ground between those two. They have a pretty reliable, good-looking UI. They allow you to trade directly through your bank account. You can trade, you know, with just cash. They perform the wallet services for you. So they are a centralized exchange, kind of like a broker. So you could just store your cryptocurrency with them. And then you could do some of the more advanced cryptocurrency stuff like staking with a couple of coins. So yeah, they are sort of like, they're the introductory group to the deeper parts of the cryptocurrency world. So on April 14th, they'll be listed as Coin, C-O-I-N, on the NASDAQ. And through a direct public offering, not an initial public offering, which means that they won't be creating any new shares. They'll just be selling pre-existing shares that already exist in the company. So the number that I keep seeing tossed around for the speculated market cap for the company is about $100 billion, though those speculated numbers range anywhere from $20 billion to $200 billion. So that's a pretty wide range. But if the hypothetical situation where the market cap of the company is $100 billion, that basically evaluates it as more than the NYSE and the NASDAQ combined. Not the total market cap of companies that are listed on those, but the market cap of the companies that own the NASDAQ and the NYSE. So the NASDAQ is owned by NDAQ. That's their ticker symbol. And the NYSE traded ticker symbol is ICE. Their own, it's like Intercontinental Exchange, I think is what it's called. And at $100 billion, Coinbase would be worth about both of those companies combined. So the bearish arguments have been pretty compelling with regards to Coinbase. And like I mentioned before, the fact that $100 billion sort of median number that people are coming at would be worth NYSE plus NASDAQ. And if we look at like the overall assets that are controlled by the cryptocurrency world and the stock market, right, the US stock market, it's like $50 trillion. And the NYSE and the NASDAQ are the total market cap of companies that are listed on those two together is $45 trillion. And the overall cryptocurrency market across the entire globe is only $2 trillion. And I couldn't find any quick information with regards to how much like cryptocurrency is stored in Coinbase wallets, like on their platform. But if you guys find that information, please comment it, because that's actually something that I'd really like to know. So about 90% of Coinbase's revenue comes through transaction fees. And in 2020, they reported making, I believe, $1.3 billion. And in 2021, they estimate that they're going to make about $5.4 billion. Now, to put that into context, the company that owns the NYSE, which is traded as ICE on the NYSE, they reported in 2020, which was the year Coinbase made $1.3 billion, that they made $6 billion. So just a little bit of context. There seems to be two primary concerns with regards to the long-term viability of Coinbase's revenue. The first one being the fact that the crypto market is super volatile. And it's not so much that the price of cryptocurrency goes up or down, it's the fact that volume goes up and down with the price. And I'll pop this chart up here with regards to Bitcoin. And yeah, they need volume to be high in order for them to generate those transaction fees. There's also some concern about them being able to maintain their pricing model, because as competition increases in the cryptocurrency space, either just because time passes and more companies pop up, or because the cryptocurrency market goes up, and then there's more demand for cryptocurrency trading, and then more demand leads to more revenue. People want to capitalize on that. Then there'll be more competition in the space, and then there's going to be capitalistic competition, the race to the bottom with regards to transaction fees, and they might not be making the percentages in the future that they're seeing right now. And the bullish arguments seem to be just revolving around market excitement, which in my relatively short investing experience, poking around in the investing world, seems to be incredibly powerful. I mean, hell, let's look at Tesla, right? Is that people are so excited about Tesla that they're currently evaluating Tesla at being bigger than every other car company on Earth combined. So I'm not sure if the market always tends to behave rationally. But you also have situations where not only does the market like to throw money at irrational stuff right now, but it also exists in the sphere of cryptocurrency, which is a already speculative market. So, I mean, it could be that there's enough hype generated around this that it'll get increased in value. So that's it, I guess. I just wanted to reiterate what I've been reading. This is certainly not investing advice, and I definitely encourage you to do your own research. And yeah, if you like the video, share it, and I'll see you again soon.